The enigmatic tales of the great ancient civilizations lie buried beneath layers of time, waiting for someone to uncover their dark secrets. These civilizations, once thriving with culture and power, now stand as mere remnants of their former glory, whispering stories of ambition, betrayal, and hidden truths. As archaeologists delve deeper into these ancient ruins, they stumble upon forgotten palaces that hint at the opulence and intrigue of their inhabitants. Within the shadows of underground chambers, relics of the past tell tales of power struggles and sacred rituals, leaving modern society to ponder the true nature of these civilizations. Within the depths of dense jungles, magnificent temples rise, their intricate carvings narrating the stories of deities worshipped and sacrifices made. Meanwhile, a well-preserved ancient scroll uncovers the astonishing scientific achievements of these civilizations, suggesting they possessed knowledge long lost to time.